Okay, here we are back on site. We've taken out this big section, but we've got this problem here, and we've got to work out now how to do. This is a grade 2 listed building, and so we're limited with what we can do. We've got a girder that's been put in the 1970s, that's concreted in, so we've got to try and work out how we come around it. And we've got to take it down in sections, put a new foundation in, possibly tie into this with some ties, and then use that as a guide and a tie-in, and then build back across the top. But quite complicated. It's a mess. Everything's leaning at all roads. We've propped the roof up. They didn't want us to take that down, so we've had to work around it. Happy days.
I just want to show you what it was like before. This is what you can see here. It's the old wall that's leaning out, cracked. The old bricks been built up over the years, maybe 300 years I think this was, and it's a stretcher, and 6 courses a stretcher with a Flemish bond course through. This is what it was like at the top. This is what it's like at the side. It's cracked, like you can see here. And the foundation was just sitting on top of the ground, which we'll show you in a bit. It's smashed to bits.
Okay, we've been digging, and this is foundation. It's basically a header going that way. And we've got all this superstructure stuck on the brick going that way, on ash and clay. No wonder it's tipped and turned. So what we're going to do is dig this out. We're going to put a spread foundation with mesh in, and so that when you've got a spread foundation, it stops the twist. That's incredible. That's been here for 300 years on a brick, just going basically that way. Madness.
Madness.
Exactly the centre here, 16 each side. I'm sure that I'm dead on the centre. That works. This is that row of bricks coming out now. If you give it a pick there, Chris, just show. Give it a pick in the soil. There you go. That's it. That's the foundation. It's held all this building up. We've got mesh in. This will help to stabilise the wall a lot better. We're going to push up some bars into that clay there, so we've got to return here, and then we're wiring.
Right, are you banging them bars in?
Yeah, we bang them bars in here like that, up that clay.
Put that in a minute, I'll just put this.
When we dig this out for this to come out, we can join them back together. This is what we call the kicker bar.
Yeah.
So that when we dig the rest out, we can connect back and join the concrete together, because we've got to take it down in sections.
Like that, yeah?
Yeah, that's it, and then we wire them together.
Yeah.
And then when we take this, dig down for this lot to come out, we can join the mesh up to that on the other side and join the concrete together. Now the concrete's come. Taking a measurement from each side so that we get the wall where it was originally, and so we're transferring this down to the foundation here. And we've done the same the other side, and we're ready to rock and roll.
Using concrete foundation blocks here, 4-inch dense concrete for the acid that's in the ground, and and then we'll use the original bricks back on the top of that when we're out of the ground, as we'll show you in a minute.
Wearing down now.
These are the wall ties that go in. The wall starters, or crocodile teeth as they call them on site. What we're doing on here is fixing wall starters into the girder. Drill the holes. Yeah, we will. So we slide that in there like that. There we are. We've got a tie-in. Brilliant.
Trainers are getting a bit messed up.
I ain't bothered about that.
Only trainers, isn't it? Got no hard hat and boots on them.
I've not got you. I've got your lane.
Oh.
Okay, what we've got here is Flemish stretcher bond. This is to do with the old building, and now we've had to work it out to put the headers through, and we put them on every 6 courses. And as you can see, I've worked it out, I've dry laid it, and I've worked them in, as you can see. And so we can work that out now and start laying. Different size bricks.